Wait. Now, I'll tell you about it. Okay, so very serious now.
Sawa. Haya. Hello my people, Wanchikongige here.
Jambo Wakonyo here.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and if you are new here, karibu sana sana, and if you are returning, welcome back. So guys, if you are new here, remember we are the Ma Empress,
Yes.
and make sure you subscribe to this channel, guys. What do I mean by subscribing? You click on that subscribe button, inakwanga white and black,
Yes.
or red, it depends with your phone settings. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you turn on the notification bell, so whenever we upload any video, you'll be among the first people to know and
Yes.
to watch.
Yes.
So guys, why are we here?
So today, guys, we are teaching you how to make vitamin C serum
Yes.
at home.
Mm-hmm.
People have been asking us what?
Well, wanauliza, your faces are glowing. As you can see, guys, you know we haven't applied any makeup.
Anything.
Can you
Not
imagine?
at all.
Can you imagine? It's because of this secret that we found out, and we thought, why not, let us share it with you.
Yes.
So guys, we are going to use very simple ingredients and a very simple procedure to make this vitamin C serum. And guys, I know that you're going to make yours and you are going to give us the feedback, right?
Yes.
So if you want to try this, you tell us kwa comment section, and if you tried it, you also come back and tell us the results.
Yeah, we want to give people maybe a period of 1 month or 2 months.
Yeah.
And then we'll show our faces. And you will also send us your photos so that you can see
the change,
the outcome. One of the importance of vitamin C is it helps to brighten your face.
Yeah.
Like it removes dark spot. It also helps the skin to form. Moves it makes your face glow.
Yeah.
Naturally. So hiyo ndo unaonanga watu unashangaa why are their face glowing like that. Ni juu wanatumia different serum. There are different serum. So this one is vitamin C.
Yes.
And we are going to use the simplest ingredients that you can find in your market.
Exactly.
So guys, welcome.
So these are our ingredients.